recipe for today is a very healthy and interesting breakfast. This is interesting because I'm using a single batter for all 4 different breakfast items, and it is healthy because of the ingredients that I use in this. I called our recipe very healthy because I'm using here this quinoa and brown rice. This quinoa is very rich in protein and essential amino acids. This has a very low glycemic index. And coming to brown rice, this brown rice as a whole grain, this has a very low glycemic index and it is a complex carbohydrate. So now let's get into the recipe. To start with, I am taking 1 cup of urad dal in a bowl and soaking it. In a separate bowl, take 1.5 cup of idli rice, 1 cup of brown rice, 2 spoons of fenugreek seeds, and half a cup of quinoa. I am taking all the rice and quinoa and fenugreek seeds in the same bowl. Here I am washing this urad dal and soaking it for about 5 hours. Now I am washing our idli rice, brown rice, quinoa and fenugreek seeds in a separate bowl and soak it for 5 hours. Here I am washing all the grains that I use in this recipe 2 to 3 times before soaking itself, just to avoid any chemicals that might be sprayed. Now soak covered with a lid for about 5 hours. After 5 hours, I am washing this urad dal again and grinding it into a smooth batter. I am adding about 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of salt and grind it. Now the texture of the urad dal batter is very fine and smooth. So now I am transferring to a big bowl. In the same manner, I am grinding rice, quinoa and fenugreek to a smooth batter and adding this to the batter of urad dal. Give it a good mix and leave the batter outside to ferment for about 10 to 12 hours. I am leaving this batter outside because the temperature here in US is very low. After 10 hours, our batter is well fermented. So give a good mix and this is ready for use now. So first day after the fermentation, I am going to make idlis. To make idlis, first I am applying little amount of ghee to these idli plates and pour the batter into this. Idlis made from this batter are very soft and the color of the idli will be a little brown in color because we used brown rice and quinoa. Now I am steam cooking these idlis in a bowl for about 10 to 12 minutes. After 10 minutes, our idlis are well cooked. So I am taking this out and removing the idlis with a spoon and serve them. Now our hot and soft idlis are ready to serve with the peanut chutney. Enjoy these steam cooked healthy idlis without any guilt. As we completed our first dish, let's move on to the second dish, dosa with the same batter. To make our second dish with the same batter, grease the pan with little oil, pour the batter and spread the batter evenly with the ladle and sprinkle half a spoon of oil over dosa. Always try making dosas in a medium flame, otherwise dosas will burn. Allow the dosa to cook for 2 minutes and then carefully raise from the edges and flip it. Cook on the other side also for about a minute and then it is ready to serve. Dosa with our batter is much healthy and tastier than normal dosa, so enjoy without guilt. As our second breakfast item with the same batter is ready, let's move on to the third dish. All we need for our third dish is 1 carrot chopped, 1/4 cup of chopped onion and 1 green chilli sliced. Now add 1/4 cup of water to this batter to make it runny like this. Grease the pan with oil, pour the batter with ladle and do not spread it. Now add a handful of chopped carrot, a handful of chopped onion and sliced green chilli and little oil and cook for 2 minutes. After few minutes, observe the bubbles forming on this. So now we can flip this and cook the other side also for few minutes. These set dosas can be called as Indian version of pancakes and definitely kids will enjoy them. Now our set dosa is cooked on both sides and it is ready to serve. Our third dish with the same batter, set dosa, is also ready. Now let's see our fourth dish. Now coming to fourth dish, I am planning to make pongadalu or appam. For this I am taking 2 to 3 ladles of batter in a vessel and add half a cup of chopped onion, half a cup of chopped carrot, handful of cilantro, 1/4 spoon of chili powder, this is optional, pinch of turmeric powder, 1/4 spoon of jeera and salt according to our taste. To this add 1/4 cup of water and give it a good mix until everything combines well. Here you can see the appam pan. I got this from India or you can buy through online store also. So I'm applying oil to this appam pan and pour the batter into this carefully. Now close the lid and cook on low flame for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, everything is cooked well. So now I'm trying to flip each one. Cook on the other side also, closing the lid. After a few minutes, I am checking if they are done or not. Here you go, everything is well cooked. So I am transferring them to serving plate. Our last dish with the same batter, pongadalu, is ready. Enjoy them. So friends, our healthy and delicious 4 morning breakfast items with the same batter are ready. So please do try these, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel.